I was going more.
Do it.
Whoa,
Are we in the ocean?
You guys act as though I can't edit this.
But you're not going to. You
right.
never do.
So we're talking about the multiple choice matching final that's happening on Tuesday. I want to give you an idea of what that's going to look like. It's subdivided into numerous sections. Okay? There is a matching section where you are given a bunch of nations, and then the actual questions are the names of leaders, and you have to then match the person with the nation they led. Okay?
Awesome.
Be forewarned. One of the choices is none of these. I may give you some people who are not leaders, or people who did not lead any of those countries. Yeah. So then there is another matching section. The next matching section is, here are some occupations. An artist or composer, an author, a scientist.
I like
Okay?
this section.
And then I give you people, and you match them with that. There is no none of these option in that one.
Yeah.
They will be one of those things.
So they're either authors or composers?
There are 4 possible matches.
Authors.
Then the final section is the ruling family. So here I'm giving you nations again, and then I give you the family names, and you tell me which nations were ruled by those family names. We've been over that and over that and over that, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. The next section is which came first. So for each of those questions, you're going to see what you see here on the smartboard, 2 items. And so you have to mark the one that occurred first in time. Who would like to come up and answer this one? Dylan?
What's a powder on it?
Howard flag.
Oh, I thought it said powder.
This is why
That's embarrassing.
Marker.
You can't cut that out either.
Blue.
Oops. My name's KKK.
Okay, it doesn't work.
Where's Dan?
Come on.
Gone.
Sorry, some technical difficulties. Now we're getting rolling.
There you go.
Stop talking.
And so that's it. That's it. You have to decide which one came first. It's only 2 items.
Is like questions like these or like related?
No, not like
No,
that.
this is just an example
Okay.
question. I didn't want to give away any of the ones that I had on the actual
I'm sure
test.
we'll all let
So
it work.
basically, if we've already studied for our essay, we should know which one came first.
Shazam!
Thanks.
Okay. Then the final section is what's called odd man out. There are 2 parts to each of these. One, you have to select the one that does not fit the set, and then you have to explain, there's a line provided for you, and you have to explain why. It is possible to get an answer to these that I did not foresee.
Ooh.
Now,
Huh?
who wants to give this a try?
I got it.
Dark?
Does it have to be like an educated thing or can it be like...
It has to be, and we're going to talk about it. I've set you up here.
I'm just gonna guess. I'm gonna say terrible.
That's
that
what
it?
I would
Just
guess.
serve one.
Just do it. Just do it.
And what is your reason?
Oops, forgot my seat.
Because they're all great. Do we have to put a reason?
Yes.
Oh,
That's
gosh,
part of the
that
credit.
sucks. She just wants.
I just
to
like
write.
writing on this
Yeah.
board.
Okay. And so, when I'm coming along and grading it,
Is it wrong?
Oh no.
it's wrong.
Dang it.
That is a crappe reason.
Oh, I thought you were.
So-
Just joking on these.
I thought she was too.
Who would like to try it again? Gideon?
So we're looking for like an actual historic.
Oh my goodness! On a final exam, I would want an actual historical reason?
Well, okay,
You want a
we
joking
were-
one?
Okay, like that other question though, we were what?
What?
I have a reason.
It can be that answer.
No, you can't because
Could be.
don't you get like +1?
If your reason doesn't work, then your answer is wrong.
What if the answer that you chose, we chose it, but we had a bad answer? Would you have credit?
kill his son.
That's pretty good.
I like
That's
it.
true.
I suppose I would have to really think hard about checking that one wrong. But that's still not what I want.
What if you
got
put
this.
Captain and
I
Girl
also-
because she
okay.
is a girl.
Bring it on.
Yeah, that would be my thing. That's
Yeah, Catherine, because she was a
girl.
girl.
Can't historically
Alright, we
mess
have
that
that
one up.
historically.
That's one I thought
That's
of,
pretty
but
historical.
Oh,
if I'm
wait.
right,
Oh.
I'm pretty sure.
I know this one.
Oh,
I have.
Did I just say my answer instead of?
No, no,
I'm kidding. I forgot.
Oh, I have one.
Okay, guys gonna be gone for this final.
I know. I'll take it during the 3rd or 5th hour on Thursday.
There you go.
Oh, I was gonna say Catherine.
Everybody but Frederick ruled Russia.
What
There
if
you
you
go.
said all of them were
Prussia.
from Russia, but Catherine was from Austria?
Frederick wasn't from Russia. He's
Oh.
Prussian.
I didn't know that.
Can we just
Okay,
say
okay,
Catherine was from?
So now here's what you guys were proposing. You were saying this one,
Come on.
I'm just kidding. I'm Mackenzie.
Yeah,
Right, you tried that?
Stupid answer last.
a wrong.
Wrongo.
But it's
Wrong.
not. She's a girl.
That was my second answer.
Is that a historical reason why she doesn't fit with this set?
Yes.
Technically.
Girls
No.
can't technically.
I'm going over this because I am telling you that kind of stuff does not fly.
Okay.
He's last alphabetically. His name has more syllables than all of the other. None of that. No. Actual real reasons.
What if you really don't know? Can we make you laugh?
What if we get super
All right,
creative?
try this one. What's the obvious wrong answer?
Joseph.
Joseph's a boy.
Joseph's a boy, the others are all girls. No.
Maria Teresa.
Wrong.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know.
Because Joseph II is Maria Theresa's son.
Oh, so they're related, okay.
And Elizabeth I is related to them. Right?
Well, Elizabeth
So
and
they're-
Mary
they're
both
half-sisters.
ruled- Elizabeth and Mary both ruled England.
All right, they both. And what you can do as you're taking this is you can be making notes. So, England, what's she? Austria, and England, and he's what? Austria.
That's not.
Okay, and you can say sisters, and then
Mother or son.
Didn't Joseph try and marry
Son.
Mary?
no,
Who was that?
Philip.
Oh, okay.
So okay,
Are they all this hard?
Oh, Philip from France, right?
Spain.
Or Spain.
Philip II?
I'm like,
That was a while ago.
so what do we know here?
Yeah, they
What kind of rulers are these? Are they all monarchs?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all monarchs.
So Mary
Okay.
was Catholic. Was that it?
Mary was Catholic, but what's Maria Theresa of Austria?
Was she Catholic too?
Yeah.
Oh, and Elizabeth is Protestant.
Okay, there's a possible answer. Elizabeth was Protestant. You could answer C and put Elizabeth is Protestant, others are Catholic. Or you could answer D. Joseph was an enlightened despot, and the others are all absolute monarchs.
Mine's
That's an example of one where
How
there's
many of there
different
are
ways you
these?
could go at it.
How many?
Maybe a dozen.
Alright, that's not bad.
That's really
I have to
bad.
know at least like 6.
Are they
Now,
worth 2 points?
All of those, these two special sections and all the matching sections are worth 3 points each. There are 81 total questions that are from chapters 1 through 6 of the final at 3 points each. Okay?
Wait, there's
81 questions at 3 points each over all of this stuff. Okay? And then we have the chapter 7 section, which is going to be 28 questions at 7 points each. So this final will be worth 299 points.
How many is
Why
7?
don't you just make one 4 and then I can be.
Wait,
How many
why
chapter
is
7?
28 questions.
are
And
they
it'll
all
be
like
matching and multiple choice just like all of your others have been.
So these were 7.
2.
You said 7.
I'm sorry, 2 points each.
I was like 7's a lot. For
2 points each. Sorry.
So you will have a crossword up.
I will get a crossword up on the blog, and then I will have some hard copies here on Monday, but that will probably be too late, so hopefully you can get to the blog. You can also stop back after school and see if I've gotten them printed out yet because I expect to have the recreated crossword done by the end of the day.
Okay. How many problems are you thinking on the
As many as it takes to prep you for the
crossword? Okay.
test. I mean,
Yeah.
think about
Yeah.
trying to write crossword clues for this.
Yeah,
You can't-
I understand.
But it's like
Yeah,
the
you
person
can.
can help you. Like if the
Right.
You know what I mean?
Well, so what I would do if I were writing crossword clues for this, I would say absolute English ruler. And there would probably be 2, 3, 4. I mean, you've got
Those are
Henry
so
VIII, you've got
hard.
Mary I, you've got Elizabeth I, right? And so then you'd have enlightened despot from Austria. That'd be Joseph II. Absolute monarch from Austria. Okay? So I've got to go at each individual one. So there's going to be a lot more than 81 because I've got to hit them differently. Yeah, it might end up being spread across 2 puzzles. That you'll have to do both puzzles to get everything.
Oh my gosh. So what if you fail